If you're nearing retirement or already retired, one of the biggest challenges you'll face is making the most out of your Social Security benefits. But with careful planning, you can use Social Security benefits wisely to maximize your retirement income and secure your financial future. In this video, we'll break down strategies that can help you do just that. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description. It will take you to a free Gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their savings. It's crucial to understand how protecting your wealth with assets like gold can give you the financial security you deserve. Now let's dive into how you can use your Social Security benefits wisely. The first step is understanding your full retirement age. For most people, that's around age 66 to 67. Claiming Social Security benefits before that age could result in a reduction of your monthly payment. But if you delay claiming until age 70, you'll receive a significantly higher benefit. This means you'll get more money each month over your lifetime. And with that extra money, you can supplement other retirement income. Another important consideration is taxes. Many retirees don't realize that their Social Security benefits could be taxed depending on your total income. If you have other retirement accounts or income sources, you could be taxed on up to 85% of your Social Security benefits. Understanding how your Social Security fits into your overall tax picture can help you plan and minimize taxes in retirement. One strategy is to delay taking Social Security until you're in a lower tax bracket. By taking withdrawals from tax-deferred retirement accounts, such as IRAs or 401ks, in the earlier years of retirement, you may reduce your taxable income and avoid higher taxes on your benefits. But what if Social Security isn't enough to cover your living expenses, or you're worried about inflation eroding your buying power? Well, that's where a Gold IRA could make all the difference. Many American retirees are discovering how valuable it is to use a Gold IRA to diversify their wealth and protect it from market volatility. Unlike Social Security, which can be impacted by inflation and government changes, gold has historically served as a hedge against inflation and financial instability. So, if you want to ensure your retirement is protected for the long term, a Gold IRA is one of the best options you can consider. Another important aspect of your Social Security strategy is how you coordinate benefits with your spouse. If you're married, you may be able to take advantage of spousal benefits, which could be higher than your own benefits. You can also coordinate when both you and your spouse claim Social Security to maximize your total benefits over time. The timing of your claims could be a significant financial decision that benefits both of you for many years. And remember, if you are still working during retirement, your Social Security benefits might be temporarily reduced if your income exceeds a certain threshold. It's important to factor this into your retirement plans, as it could influence when and how you claim Social Security. One key thing to keep in mind: retirement is unpredictable. The cost of living can fluctuate, healthcare costs can skyrocket, and unforeseen expenses can arise. So it's essential to have a strategy in place to ensure you don't rely solely on Social Security. A Gold IRA offers stability and security, acting as a solid foundation to complement your Social Security benefits. If you're serious about making sure your wealth is protected, especially if you have 100K plus in your IRA or 401k, or even 5MA plus in savings, I strongly recommend checking out the free guide linked below. Now, when it comes to using Social Security benefits wisely, it all boils down to a few key steps: understanding your full retirement age, managing taxes, considering delaying your benefits, and ensuring your other assets complement Social Security. But remember, if you want long-term security, having additional resources like a Gold IRA can be a game changer. So if you're ready to take control of your retirement and protect your wealth, especially if you've worked hard to build up a significant savings, take a look at the free guide linked in the description. It's designed to help retirees like you make the best decisions for securing a comfortable, worry-free future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.